first one is going to be leaky faucets. And I say leaky faucets because if you've owned a home for very long, it's easy to have some kind of a leaky faucet at some point. And I don't know how important this is from a realtor side. I will lean on you, Brooke. Share with us.
Well, it's just such an easy repair to make, and, you can get faucet repair kits online or at your local home improvement store for $20 or less. And important part of that is if you've got a buyer looking at your home and they see a leaky faucet, it puts them in the mindset of plumbing issues. It could put them in the mindset of something much bigger. And oh, if that leaks, is there another leak? Has there been damage to the subfloor, under the cabinet, something like that? So you just want to remove that stigma right off the bat with something as easy as fixing a leaky faucet.
Well, and the leaky faucets are interesting in the house cleaning industry because if we don't fix the leaky faucets, a lot of times that water can drip down. And if there's anything inside the sink, any kind of sediment, any kind of rust or something like that, it can stain the insides of the sink. And then
Right.
the risk that we run into is when homeowners are walking in or home buyers and they're looking at that, all of a sudden it adds age to the property. And so they're looking
Exactly.
at that and they're like, oh, look at those sinks. That's just horrible. And so there's one suggestion that I want to make, especially if we have rust inside the sink. The product that I recommend, and I'll make myself big here on the screen so you can see this, it's called Barkeeper's Friend. The Barkeeper's Friend is been around forever and it's really, really a great product. Great for hard water stains, but it's really low on the pH scale. And so it's almost like an acid, like you would use like a toilet bowl cleaner. So it works really well for hard water stains. So what I recommend is that you wet the area either with spraying it with water and then just making a paste, like sprinkle this on there and make a paste. Do like finger painting where you just swish it around and make sure that it's covered the area really well. And then leave it on for 2 minutes. At the end of 2 minutes, take a non-scratch scrub sponge and wet it. And that should come right off. So quick fix, and this is a couple bucks. This is available at most grocery stores. You'll find it oftentimes at Walmart. So it's just a powdered cleanser, and it works better than just about anything I've ever seen.